Hello everyone, welcome in our geography session for standard 12th, chapter 4th, primary economic activities. In previous videos, we discussed about our 4 primary economic activities. Now in this video, we discuss a 5th economic activity, it is a animal husbandry. In the world, animal husbandry is one of the important need of a high population and growing population. That's why the people are also depend for fulfill the need of food on animals too. That's why there is the several animals like cows, goat, sheep, donkey, horse, reindeer, pig, and etc. are important part of animal husbandry. There is the milk, fish, meat, then their skin is also important part for to fulfill our daily need. In the world is the distribution of animal husbandry is also not even in all area in all over the world. Some region which is suitable for and supportive for the animal husbandry, but some area it is not support to the animal husbandry. We can observe the world distribution of animal husbandry, which is shows with the help of skin color in this map. This total skin color, plain skin color, is shows a animal husbandry region in the world. There is also shade which is mixed with this pink color, that is a green, where there is the agriculture activities developed. That activities is shown with the help of green color, and mixed color of a skin and green is also there. The mixture of that color is there. Such a region is shows the animal husbandry with agriculture and agriculture with the animal husbandry in a region. Almost the temperate grassland which with a perennial cover of grass are important for the animal husbandry. Only some area we can observe there is a other occupations are there somewhere found, but animal husbandry is not there practice in that area. For example, Greenland, north part of Canada, north part of Siberia, central part of Asian continent, then some part of Africa, north part of Africa. Such area with the we cannot observe the animal husbandry in that area. Some part of Australia is also, only east part of Australia there is animal husbandry is on a commercial base, but other part of Australia is totally we can say without animal husbandry. That region is there. Now there are some questions which are depend on this map, so observe this map very carefully. Now we turn towards the questions. The first question, that is, do you think there is a correlation between animal husbandry and grassland? Yes, there is a correlation between animal husbandry and grassland. The question is not why us there, but the grassland is always support to the animal husbandry as a food purpose. That's why grassland and animal husbandry is correlated with each other. Then second question, in which continent is animal husbandry not practiced on a large scale? Almost that is the African continent, where we cannot observe the animal husbandry on a large scale. Otherwise, the Asian continent there is India, China, Japan is there. Then in European continent, European countries is there. South America, North America, both have the animal husbandry. Antarctica is totally without any primary economic activity continent, but the continent Africa, where we cannot observe the animal husbandry practice on a large scale. There is a subsistence purpose animal husbandry is we can observe in that region, but that is very negligible. Then next question, that is the third question, in which region of the world do animal husbandry and agriculture for coincide? Means both are togetherly developed in a region. The answer is USA, European countries, Russia and Asian countries. Almost Asian countries there is a intensive agriculture with animal husbandry is very important, and maximum population near about the 50% of world population is depend on this agriculture with animal husbandry. USA and European countries there is the agriculture on extensive commercial base. So some part is related with the animal husbandry and some part of related with the extensive commercial agriculture. Then animal husbandry is found in between which latitude of the world? Almost the animal husbandry we can find out in the north part of north hemisphere. We can observe that area is maximum related with the north hemisphere of a European, Asian and North American country. In southern part there is only South America is there, which highly developed in commercial animal husbandry, and somewhere Australia is there. But the African continent, there is very lesser part of African continent is there. So in between 30° north to 60° north latitude, animal husbandry is there, as well as 30° south to 55° south latitude we can observe animal husbandry, because the extent of land area is only related with the 55° south latitude. Then there is the ocean part. Then next question is a fifth question. In which zone between 30° north and 30° south latitude is animal husbandry not found on a large scale? First question is related with the area of animal husbandry. Now there is a area where we not found the large scale animal husbandry. What could be the reason behind? Now in North Africa, south part of Africa and some part of Central Asia, we cannot found animal husbandry on a large scale, because this area is a desert region where the scanty rainfall area is there, as well as some part is a very dense forest is also there, so this is not supportive to the animal husbandry. Marsh area is there. So about Africa, there is a rainy daily rainfall region, daily rain forest is there, and some part where there is a scanty rainfall or rain shadow region, it is also included in this region. Now question 6th. What could be the reason concentration of animal husbandry in the eastern part of Australia? Now east part of Australia have a high density of population in Australia. Almost the population of Australia is concentrated in the east part of Australia because of suitable climatic condition and physical condition. Almost resources are there, as well as the plain the perennial river is there. Then transportation facilities are developed, and that's why demand for milk and meat and other products of animal husbandry is there, and to fulfill that demand the animal husbandry is concentrated in the eastern part of Australia. Now why is animal husbandry developed more in arid region of interior part of the continents? Because the interior part of continent have a scanty rainfall. Except animal husbandry, the other occupation cannot possible in such region. That's why the animal husbandry is concentrated in a develop more in a arid region of the interior part of continents. Now area of animal husbandry. The world distribution of animal husbandry. There are two main regions of animal husbandry in the world. First, animal husbandry with the grassland region. It is practiced on commercial base. Almost the countries such as North America, South America and Australia is there. Then second, animal husbandry in arid region. It is practiced on subsistence base only. Because of lack of water availability, it is not support to the perennial grass cover. That's why the people are migrate from one region to another region with their flock of animal. And that's why this region is almost we can find in Central Africa and Rajasthan. Rajasthan is very important part for the animal husbandry in a arid region. Almost camel is one of the important animal, and cows are also there. The factors affecting on animal husbandry. Climate is one of the most important physical factor which is directly affect on the animal husbandry. If the climate is suitable for the animal survive at that time, that different type of animal we can observe in a different climatic zones and regions. For example, in a tropical area we can observe there is a goat, sheep, buffaloes, cows are there. Then in the upper part, the high altitude region, cold climatic region, reindeer is there. In a desert area, camel is there. So the different type of climate support to the different types of animal, and that's why animal husbandry is directly affected by the climatic conditions. Second, the byproducts of a animal are also uh, perishable perishable products are there. That's why to to preserve that products, the preservative the refrigerator systems is also necessary. Cold storage are important. That's why this climate is also effect also about the investment of that animal husbandry, and their production is also there. Then second, presence of perennial grass cover. Grass is a major food for the animals, and almost that herbivorous animals are totally depend on a grass. So the presence of grass in a grassland and temperate grassland is supportive for the animal husbandry. Then advanced technology is there for the rearing of animals and about their other activities. The advanced utilization of advanced technology is also important. The labor work is also reduced, and utilization of machinery is there in a today. Almost the developed countries are used the advanced technology for the production by products of that animals milk and other, as well as the rearing of animal is also with the help of advanced technology in a developed country. Market for demand is also important. Marketplace, the high density region, the populated area is play an important role in the marketplace. The world richest market are also high demand for the products byproducts of milk, as well as the fish and other fish and meat products also. And that's why the demand and marketplace is also affect on the animal husbandry. Large estates, these large estates are also we can observe in a grassland. The area of a farmer is near about more than 400 hectares area is owned by the farmers. That's why that large estates are also important for the perennial grass cover. That grass is utilized for the cows and pig also, and that is that products sorry that region is important for the animal husbandry on commercial base. So the large estate area related with the temperate grassland is used for the commercial based animal husbandry in the world. For example, USA and European country, they use their large estates for animal husbandry. In this way, we discuss the all point related with the animal husbandry. Observe the questions and their answer, as well as the factors which is directly and indirectly affect on the animal husbandry. Okay, thank you.